How many barriers stand between an AI vision breakthrough and reality? Can the idea be built? Can the product scale? Is the investment justified? KickersAI clears the path. We are KickersAI, your rapid validation partner in AI vision. In just 3 weeks, we turn bold concepts into tangible outcomes. Our strength comes from Union Image. With deep expertise in optical design, edge AI, system integration, and intelligent manufacturing, we bridge the most critical gap from concept to product. Every POC does more than validate an idea. It lays the groundwork for scalable production. uCloudlink's innovation vision, defined, validated, delivered, from sketch to production-ready prototype. Yunxi's pursuit of professional live streaming, co-created, integrated, engineered, from a single metric to a complete imaging terminal. Melanchan's reimagined creative experience, fused, orchestrated, realized on device, from one interaction to an entire creative system. In the era of foundation models, the winners are those who turn prompts into products fastest. What's your prompt?